I'll give the answer now. Okay. All of you please take the notebook, write down the question. Hope that all of you have written it. അല്ലേ? എല്ലാവരും എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ? What are microbes? Name the different kinds of microbes. 7th one. Okay. So I'll give only the answer. Okay. Okay. Microbes are tiny. Microbes are tiny living organisms that can only be seen under a microscope. Microbes are tiny living organisms that can only be seen under a microscope. Okay. ഇനി എന്താ നമുക്ക് 2 questions are together അല്ലേ? എന്തായിരുന്നു? Name the different kinds of microbes. Different kinds of microbes. Which are they? Which are the different kinds of microbes? Bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Microbes are tiny or living organisms that can only be seen under a microscope. Bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa are are the different kinds of microbes. Are the different kinds of microbes. എന്നിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എഴുതിക്കോ. 8th question. How are microbes useful to us? Okay. Have you finished writing? എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾ 7th one? Yes. Okay. So write down the 8th one. What is the question? How are microbes useful to us? Okay. Bacteria turn milk to cheese or curd. Milk to cheese or curd. Milk to cheese or curd. To cheese or curd. Bacteria in the stomach helps to digest our food. Okay. Okay. ഒരെണ്ണം കൂടി എഴുതിയാൽ മതി, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്കൊരു കുറേ ആവും. എ ഫംഗസ് കോൾഡ് called yeast helps to make bread and cakes fluffy. Make bread and cakes fluffy. Okay. ഈ 2 points എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. Okay, so over. All of you have finished your writing? Yes, let me take your attendance also. Okay. Shefi Shajan, Devanjana, Muhammad Shambil ആണ്. നിഹാൽ അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. നിഹാൽ, കൃപ, ആരോൺ, ആഷിൻ, ക്രിസ്റ്റി സിൻഡോ, ആഗ്നസ്, ശ്രീദേവ്, കൃഷ്ണ, സേറ, ഫാത്തിമ മെഫൂസ, സൂര്യദേവ്, ആൻഡ്രോസ് പ്രിൻസ്, എബിൻ, the Galaxy. What is your name?
Abdul Basit.
Abdul Basit. Okay. Agnes Shambil. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ ആ ലെസൺ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയി അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ അടുത്ത ലെസൺ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദേവാഞ്ജന പ്ലീസ് റീഡ് ദാറ്റ് ലെസൺ. ദേവാഞ്ജന ലെസൺ ഒന്ന് വായിച്ചേ. ബാക്കി എല്ലാവരും ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വായിക്കുന്നത് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചേ. എന്താ ഷോണേ? ഓക്കെ,
ഫസ്റ്റ് തൊട്ടേ വായിക്കണ്ടേ?
ഫസ്റ്റ് തൊട്ട് വായിക്കേ. എല്ലാവരും നോക്കിയിരിക്കണേ.
Food and digestion. All living things need food. Food gives us energy. It also helps us to grow and stay fit and healthy. Our diet usually consists of milk, rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables, and curd. Some of us eat meat, fish, and eggs also. The food we eat contains substances that keep our body healthy. These substances are called nutrients. Some nutrients give us energy, some help us to grow, some protect us from diseases. Nutrients in food. The nutrients that our body needs are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates. Cereals like rice, wheat, jowar, ragi, and maize are rich in carbohydrates. Banana and potato too have plenty of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, which include starch and sugar, are energy-giving nutrients. Rice, wheat, and potato contain starch. People who do a lot of physical work need more carbohydrates. Fats also give us energy. They help to keep our body warm. Extra fat is stored in the body under the skin for future use. Butter, nuts, oil, and rich in fat. Fats are also called energy-giving nutrients. Proteins help us to grow. Children need a lot of proteins in their diet. Proteins also help to repair the damaged part of the body. They are body-building nutrients. Pulses, soya beans, green leafy vegetables, and animals products like milk, meat, cheese, fish, and egg are rich in proteins. Vitamins are nutrients that help us stay healthy. They are called protective food. Vitamins are necessary to fight diseases. Green leafy vegetables, tomato, lemon, carrot, and fruits like papaya and mango are rich in vitamins. Meat, eggs, and milk are also rich in vitamins. Minerals like iron and calcium are required to keep blood, bones, and teeth healthy. Green leafy vegetables contain lots of iron. Cereals like ragi and bajra contain iron and calcium. Milk is also a rich source of calcium. Milk and eggs contain all the essential nutrients that our body needs. Thus, they are called complete food. Water and rawhide. Water helps the body to use other nutrients. It helps to digest food and regulate body temperature. It is also a constituent of blood and digestive juices. Thus, we should drink at least 8-10 glasses of water every day. Rawhage or fiber is another important part of food. It helps in digestion. We cannot digest the rawhage present in fiber, but it helps in easy removal of waste.
Okay, enough. Enough, Devanjana.
From the body. Fruits and raw vegetables are
Okay,
rich
Devanjana, enough.
source of fiber.
You can stop. So everybody, in the next class, you have to learn these question answers and come. Okay, I will ask the question answers in the next class. Okay. So see you in the next class. Bye. Okay. Okay, Makle.